Italian student visa. Common mistakes. Simple errors can lead to instant rejection. Here's how to avoid them. Missing signatures or incomplete forms are top reasons for rejections. Always double-check every page before submitting. Submitting inadequate financial proof? Ensure your bank statements show enough funds and meet the embassy's requirements. Name or date mismatches between documents can cause delays. Double-check that all personal data is consistent. Applying late or missing deadlines is a frequent mistake. Start your visa process several months in advance. Forgetting certified translations means your documents may not be accepted. Translate and certify all required paperwork into Italian. Incomplete or incorrect entries on the visa form can lead to rejections. Always review each section for accuracy. Arriving without an appointment wastes time. Always schedule your embassy or consulate visit in advance. Incomplete or invalid health insurance. Make sure your policy meets Schengen requirements and includes coverage dates. Passport expiring soon? Renew it before applying. Your passport should be valid for at least 3 months after your course ends. Lack of proof of accommodation can get your application denied. Secure and document your stay arrangements early. Not providing proof of tuition payment? Attach official receipts or payment confirmations from your Italian institution. Ignoring embassy emails is risky. Check your inbox regularly for requests or updates and respond promptly. Relying on hearsay? Always follow the latest official instructions from your embassy or consulate to avoid costly errors. With careful preparation, your Italian student visa is within reach. Avoid these mistakes and move one step closer to your dream.